Hey there! Quick question for you. What's the very first thing people ask when they meet you for the first time? Yeah, it's usually, "So, tell me about yourself." And honestly, in English, that tiny little moment can feel so awkward, right? Your mind goes blank. Your heart starts racing. Don't worry, I've been there too. But here's my promise to you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to introduce yourself in English with confidence, smoothly, naturally, like it's the easiest thing in the world. Sound good? Let's do it. Welcome to Daily Speak, the English podcast where we learn real, everyday English, one conversation at a time. I'm your host, and I'm so happy you're here. Because guess what? This is our very first episode. So you and me, we're starting this whole journey together. How cool is that? Now, if your goal is to actually speak English, not just read it, not just memorize grammar rules, but really speak it, then you're in exactly the right place. Do me one quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so we can practice together every single day. All right? Awesome. Let's jump in. So, why are we starting with introductions? Because this is the skill you'll use the most. A job interview? You introduce yourself. A new class? You introduce yourself. Meeting your friend's family, joining a Zoom call, traveling somewhere new. You introduce yourself. It's the front door to every conversation. And the good news? Once you have a simple formula, you'll never be stuck again. So let's build that formula right now. A great self-introduction has 5 simple parts. I call them the high 5 because you can count them on one hand. Ready? Number 1. The greeting and your name. Just say hi and tell people what to call you. Hi, I'm Alex. Or, hey, my name's Alex. Number 2. Where you're from. I'm from California. Or, I'm originally from Chicago. Number 3. What you do. This is your job or your studies. I work as a graphic designer. Or, I'm a student. I'm studying engineering. Number 4. One interesting thing. A hobby, a passion, something fun. This makes you memorable. In my free time, I love hiking. Or, I'm really into basketball. Number 5. A friendly closer. End with warmth. It's so nice to meet you. Or, I'm really excited to be here. See? 5 little pieces. Put them together and you've got a complete, natural introduction. Okay, let me show you what it sounds like all together. Here's a casual version, like meeting someone at a coffee shop. Hey, I'm Alex. I'm from California. I work as a graphic designer, and in my free time, I'm totally obsessed with hiking. So nice to meet you. Nice and easy, right? Now here's a more formal version, like a job interview or a business meeting. Hello, my name is Alex Carter. I'm originally from Chicago, and I currently work as a graphic designer. Outside of work, I enjoy hiking and photography. It's a pleasure to meet you. Same 5 blocks. You just change the words a little depending on the situation. Casual is relaxed. Formal is polished. Both are perfect. Now let me save you from 3 little mistakes that everybody makes at first. Mistake 1. Saying too much. You don't need your whole life story. Keep it short. 3 or 4 sentences is plenty. Mistake 2. Translating word for word from your own language. English has its own rhythm. So instead of forcing a perfect sentence, just keep it simple and natural. Mistake 3. Forgetting to smile. Your friendliness comes through your voice. A smile makes you sound warm and confident, even if you're nervous inside. And trust me, nobody can tell you're nervous. You sound great. All right, now it's your turn. This is the most important part of the whole video, so don't skip it. Repeat each line after me, out loud. Don't be shy. Nobody's listening. Let's go. Hi, I'm from... I work as... Or, I'm a student. In my free time, I love... It's so nice to meet you. You did it. See? You just introduced yourself in English. That wasn't so scary, was it? Before we finish, here are a few extra phrases that'll make you sound like a native speaker. Instead of just, I like, try, I'm really into, like, I'm really into music. To sound friendly, add, by the way, like, by the way, where are you from? And to keep a conversation going, ask back, what about you? That last one is magic. It turns a one-way introduction into a real conversation. So here's your homework, and I really want you to do this one. In the comments below, introduce yourself in English using the high 5. Tell me your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you love. I'll be reading every single comment, and I'd love to get to know you. And if this helped you even a little bit, give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And subscribe so you never miss a lesson. We're just getting started, and there's so much fun stuff coming. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. And today, you started. I'm really proud of you. This has been Daily Speak. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye for now.